Hello there, cherry popping fans! Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make DIY Play-Doughs. Ooh. Flour, cornstarch, and conditioner. First, put the conditioner in a bowl. Next, put in the cornstarch. And lastly, the flour.
Everything changes.
After that, mix all of the ingredients together. Mix it slowly. If the mixture is still sticky, add more cornstarch. Keep mixing it until it looks doughy.
Life.
It's time to knead it with our hands. It's easier to knead it on the table. First, sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch on the table. Then, slowly put the dough on the table. Ooh, it's so soft! And that's it! It's so squishy and soft! And it smells nice! You can color it too if you like. Just use any food colorings. I'm gonna color these three. This one into blue, this one into red, and this one into yellow. Test it out. This DIY Play-Doh is pretty good. Look, it's soft. And it holds its shape quite well. Here's a few things that I made from it. A star, Mickey Mouse, a heart, Hello Kitty, Red from Angry Bird, a snowman, and cherries. If the dough is a little bit dry, just continue kneading it and put a little bit of conditioner. Just remember, keep the Play-Doh in an airtight container after playing. If you don't, it will really dry out. Okay, that's it for today, cherry popping fans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next video!